Hi, in this video we'll walk you through 7 new updates in the latest version of hsbView, hsbcad's standalone solution, giving factory operators easy access to digital shop drawings. First, we have additional language support. To change the language, select a new one and restart the application. Next, we wanted to show you our enhanced item selection. When selecting an item in the material list, it will now be highlighted in the element view, making it easier to track the corresponding element in your model. Third, we now have resizing of material lists. You can now adjust the width of the material list by simply dragging it left or right to your preferred size. Similarly, hsbView now has adjustable material list columns. Columns can now be resized or completely hidden by dragging their outlines, making it easier to focus on relevant information. Fifth update is that master panels can now be viewed directly in hsbView. This improves accessibility and enhances workflow efficiency. Then we have the 2D measuring tool. Measurements are now available in 2D view, giving you more flexibility when reviewing your drawings. Finally, the name of the selected element is now displayed at the top for better clarity. That's it for this update. If you'd like a live demo, please visit hsbcad.com and get in touch with us. Until next time.